I think not. I think I am recording a video after a very long time, and right now I'm kind of feeling like uncomfortable in videoing the thing because haven't made any video or did any recordings for a long time right now. Uh, Maybe I will upload one video right now, and I uploaded another video yesterday, but uh, I recorded those far very long time ago. Okay, I am also I also asked I also have to like what words to use so I can get it. My English skills are also like diminished or something because I haven't practiced for a long time, and really without recording anything or making any videos there isn't any place for me to practice English because no one talks in English, and the reason why no one talks and I how can I like talk to myself. So yeah, that's why basically there wasn't any English practice, and my English skills have diminished right now. And yeah, I'm a bit uncomfortable making this video, and right now I'm very happy because I have found or acknowledged or something that I maybe can like see the foundations of my dream in my lifetime. I thought that I won't be like able to get to my dream or won't be able to do anything, but now after making a plan and thinking about that in depth, in fully, and giving like 2 or 3 hours of constant time, I figured out that if I do some works, then I can lay down the foundations of my dream in a like very short time that won't take that much time. And also maybe like uh, yeah, basically the foundations, uh, reaching that dream is like impossible because the dream is making trust among all, and these are just my running notes type of something like that. Only I can understand what I wrote here, so even if you read these things you won't be able to understand. So, and I know that no one will gonna watch these videos. I don't know why I am like trying to explain all of those things and becoming like, if you upload something in YouTube, you have a mentality that somebody maybe watch that or something like that. That's why like, this uncomfortableness come into you, and yeah, basically have to get rid of that, and also have to be comfortable around the people. And yeah, this is like my plan to lay the foundations of my dream, and I will be starting to work on this very soon, very soon. And like I will be trying to, at first I will try to make this fully like a note or a book or something like that, or at least in here I mainly wrote some bullet points and some things that are not in depth at all. So I will gonna write this thing in depth, like it may be like a book or something like that, or a mini book or something like that. And yeah, so before like writing the, even if I like write all of those things, I won't gonna like publish that because there may be many biases things of mine that I think that people may need to know this, but people may also need to know something much more, and there may raise some more questions. So I need to like analyze how much questions are arising. So to analyze that, I need to make a research or something like that. I have to, I guess, brainstorm with my friends and family or something like that. Mainly, I have to brainstorm with my friends at first because they are the ones who I'm most comfortable with. So yeah, and then I think many questions will rise. Yesterday I was trying to talk about my ideas and dreams and etc. with another friend, and then I realized that there are much more questions to be added, and every people are not the same. Many every single ones of are different, so we needed customized knowledge for everyone, but that isn't possible. So I will try to cover as much as I can. So to cover as much as I can, I need to brainstorm this with my friend, and I think I will also record the brainstorming videos. They will be, I guess, in Bangla because they will be uncomfortable in talking in English, and also if I try to force them to talk in English, then they may not be able to express how they want to express, and there also may be some things that I won't record that should they will want to tell me or something like that. And yeah, I guess I will be uploading those brainstorming things or those conversations with my friend in here. So yeah, need to get to my works, and this will be my dream works. Okay, I think this is enough for now. So, Assalamualaikum.